Hola. Today I'm going to be introducing you to the verb ir, which means to go. You've probably heard it in phrases like yo necesito ir a la escuela. I need to go to school. But you're also going to learn how to say things like I go, do you go, we are going, they go, and all of that. We're also going to look at a lot of different lugares or places that we can go to someday. Haha. Here's first a list of places. Take a look. Think if you know the word, and then I'll say it. El cine. Repite, por favor. El cine. El supermercado. La biblioteca. El museo. La playa. La piscina. La estación de tren. You could also have una estación de autobuses. La iglesia o el templo. El banco. El centro. El parque. La casa. There are many more places we could look at. This is just a start. So, en el pueblo, in your town, you could have all of these places. And now you want to be able to talk about the fact that you can go to these places. So right now on the screen, you have, let me use my handy dandy pointer, the word yo. Yo significa I. If you want to say I go, you can't say yo ir because ir means to go. So you have to say yo voy. V makes a B sound. Everybody say yo voy. Tu means you. If you want to say you go, like you go to school every day, or if you want to ask somebody, are you going? You would say tu vas. Or if it's a question, you could say vas tú. Ella, you also here could have él. Ella is she, él is he. You could also have usted, which is how you would speak to an adult or somebody you're treating with respect to say you. If you want to save, though, for example, she goes, you would say ella va. Nosotros, I think you all know by now, means we. That is correct. To say we go, you would say nosotros vamos. Down here, you could say ustedes, which means you all, like you all go to the mall every Friday night. Or you could also say ellos, which means they. And whether it was ellos or ustedes, you would say van. Now, watch what's going to pop up here, the word vosotros. Vosotros also means you all, just like ustedes means you all. If you're in Spain, though, and you want to say you all go to the movies on Friday nights, you would say vosotros vais. You use vosotros in Spain when you're talking to friends to say you guys or you all. You would talk to adults or people with respect with ustedes, but we'll get into that more later. So you could say, I'm going to the movies, but you can't just say yo voy al cine. You have to say yo voy al cine. So look at what just happened there on the screen. A means to. If you want to say I'm going to the movies, you would say yo voy al cine. To the supermarket, al supermercado. But notice, if the word ends in an A, in other words, it's a feminine word, you can't say al biblioteca like you did with supermercado, which is a masculine word. You have to say a la. So take a look again. If the word is a feminine word, it has la in front of it. If it's a masculine word, it has el in front of it. But just know that if you want to say to the, you basically have two choices, either saying al or a la. If you want to say I'm going to the church, think right now about which one it would be. Yo voy a la iglesia. If you want to say I'm going uptown, what would you say? Yo voy, which one of these would you choose? Al centro.